So this is going to take just a few minutes and it's bloody fantastic. We're going to do bacon with cabbage. Really, really easy. Got some lovely little spices in there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we got here then. So I've got some cabbage there, white cabbage that I've cut up. You can cut it really thin if you want, or even chunkier than that. That's up to you. I've got some bacon cooked already. It's about sort of 5 rashers of bacon there. 1 onion. This is beautiful in there. Some fennel seeds. They're really delicious. Like, you know, there's like 2 teaspoons there. And about teaspoon of chili powder and salt and pepper, tablespoon of garlic, and I'm just adding some green beans because I've got them basically. You don't have to, but if you wanted, you could add, you know, some bell peppers or something, give it a better colour. Really simple. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got my heat on above medium. Got some oil in there. I'm using the olive oil. Let's just drop in those fennel seeds and the onion. And if you're going to use these, the green beans. Now you don't have to use what I'm using. I'm using fennel seeds and chili for this one, which I love. But you could just put any herb in you want. You get some thyme in there, tarragon, basil, oregano, a little bit of curry powder. You can sort of take it in any direction you want. Okay, so above medium heat, about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. So easy. Now my bacon is already cooked, but if you were using raw bacon, you would have put it in with the onions. Cook it first there. But like I say, my one's already done. We're now going to drop in a nice amount of garlic. I've got a tablespoon of garlic there. I'm going to add salt, pepper and chili powder. I'm now going to drop in my cabbage. Like I say, cut it as thick or as thin as you like. About 5 minutes staying on this heat. Stir fry this around. It will break down as we cook it. Got some fab smells coming out of this. Really good. So you can see it's starting to break down. And it's very, very crunchy still. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. You know, that's not a lot of water, you can see there. Cook this for about another 4 minutes, staying on this nice high heat until we burn that water off and it will steam and really help the cabbage cook. So most of that water's gone, just a little bit left in there. Really nice. Simply, let's get our bacon in. Stay on this heat. Let's go for about another 3 minutes. You've done it. It's beautiful. All right, and there you go, lovely. Still got a nice little bite to it, that cabbage. That's how I like it. Cook it longer if you want it nice and soft. Yeah, you can use that as a side with like a roast dinner or something, like some roast meat, or just like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.